In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Shopify CSV. We're going to walk through exporting data from your Shopify admin into a CSV file you can open in a spreadsheet or share with your team. A CSV or comma separated values file is a simple spreadsheet format that works in Excel, Google Sheets, and most analytics tools. Start by signing into your Shopify admin. Make sure you're using an account with the right permissions to view and export the data you need. Once you're in, take a moment to decide exactly what you want to export. Common choices include products, orders, customers, discounts, and sometimes inventory. Knowing this upfront will help you pick the right options and avoid exporting more than you need. Next, head to the matching section from the left-hand menu. For example, choose products if you want a product list, orders to pull order history, or customers for your customer database. If you only need a subset, apply filters first, or select specific rows using the checkboxes. Filtering now ensures the export contains just what you want. Look toward the top right of the page and click export. If you don't see it, make sure you're in the list view of that section rather than inside a single item's detail page. In some sections you'll see export right away. In others it appears once you've selected items or applied filters. A dialog will open asking what to export. Your options typically include all items, items on the current page, selected items, or all items that match your filters. For orders, you can often choose a date range, such as today, last 30 days, or a custom range. Pick the choice that aligns with your goal, broad reports for analysis, or targeted slices for a specific task. You'll also choose the file format. Shopify usually offers CSV for Excel, Numbers, or Google Sheets, and a plain CSV. If you plan to open the file in a spreadsheet program, the first option is a safe bet. If you're sending the file to another system that specifies plain CSV, choose that. When in doubt, check the requirements of the tool you'll use next. Once your options look right, click export. Small exports typically download immediately to your computer. Larger ones may be delivered via email as a download link, so keep an eye on your inbox. If it's a big dataset, give it a little time. Before you wrap up, open the file and scan a few rows to confirm the columns you expect are there. Save it with a clear name and date and store it securely, especially if it contains customer or order data. That's it, your Shopify CSV is ready to use.